My name is Olli, and I'm with a startup called ThingLink, and I'm very excited to be here today, all the earthquakes and everything. But I'd like to start out with a question. So, how many of you are familiar with image mapping? Okay, a couple of you. Great. So image mapping is basically about creating hotspots on top of images. And what we, ThingLink, do is we take these hotspots and make them into interactive tags. So let me show you. When I hover my mouse over an image, you can see tags, and these tags reveal video, an iTunes tag, music, more music, Facebook tag, and all that. And and let's take a look at some actual examples. So here's what Atlantic Records did. They started using ThingLink for interactive album covers. So we have all these tags on top of the album cover, and I can actually start playing music on top of the album cover. I can also view a video. Hey, what's up? I'm hanging out here. Like the band on Facebook, all on top of the image without ever leaving the web page. I can share this image on Twitter, Facebook. I can also embed it, just like a YouTube video, anywhere I want. This particular album cover was embedded on 45 different sites, and it had a click-through rate of 53% in the first 5 hours, and that evened out on average 12%, so really high engagement. And what's really cool is that if Atlantic would want, they could add a tag here and it would get syndicated, updated automatically across all 45 images, like that. And here's Evanescence. They hit #1 this week on the Billboard 200, and they're using ThingLink to tag their album cover. So here you see their latest video. And this got about 200,000 views, 100 embeds. The click-through rate was about 12%. And ThingLink is also moving into publishing. So we're changing how photojournalism can be made. So here's the example of a German newspaper who used ThingLink to tag all these persons. So you can explore who's sitting in the White House. And this is really, we're creating from an image, we're creating it into a platform for storytelling and engagement. Right. And why would publishers want to use this? Well, it's really, if you wanted to do something like this, say a year ago, you would need a Flash developer and budget a lot of time to do this. But now with ThingLink, you can do this in seconds. And you don't need a Flash developer actually to do it. I'll show you how to do it. So when you have ThingLink installed, just click on the Edit Tags. Click. Just paste the link, in this case a YouTube link, and click Save. And then you click Done. And you see, it's there, and you can start playing it right away. So that's how easy it is. And this is not all. ThingLink also provides you with a rich analytics. So you can see here exactly how many views this image has had, how many hovers, how many clicks, and we can break it down into individual tags as well. So, to summarize, ThingLink turns images into a platform for rich media. ThingLink is changing how record companies promote artists, how publishers tell stories through images, and the engagement numbers are really extraordinary, with click rates up to 10 to 15% and as high as 50%. So right now, ThingLink is a free service, and you're all invited to sign up for an account at thinglink.com. So link up your account with your website or blog, and start creating interactive images. It's lots of fun. Thanks.
Good stuff.
Thanks.
So, I immediately thought of the company Aperture. Do you know Aperture?
Yes, I know that.
So that's like more embedded content that you're able to embed into.
Yeah, so we are focusing just on images.
Just the images.
Images, yeah.
How does ThingLink make money?
So currently we're a completely free offering, so you can start using it right away without paying anything. But we have different ways how we can start making money, and probably in the next year we're starting to roll out features around the visual, how it looks like, and also in the analytics space around which we can build a monetization.
Hi, I have excuse me, 2 questions. Is that do you place the JavaScript in the eye layer of the browser, or is it residing within just JavaScript and that's it?
So that's a quite technical question, but it's a snippet of Java code, and you put it, I believe, before the body tag in the HTML.
Do you have problems with ad blockers within Mosaic and Chrome that strip eye layer?
I haven't personally had any problems with those. So.
Do you guys do anything with the exit data?
No, we're not currently doing, but that's definitely something we could start doing and using.
Hi, quick question. Do you have an API or are you working on one?
We're working on something along those lines, yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
So, yeah. So I'm very short answers, that's my style. All right, there we go, I have one.
Is it also possible for you to embed a payment link so that if someone hears a song, they can actually buy?
Actually, I can show you. We have built one for Amazon, so you can buy the album right there, and then you can also buy it on iTunes, like that. Oh, to launch it. Well,
We can't see that actually. Sorry.
oh, okay.
But it's possible.
Yeah.
So, hello. Question? Yeah, trying not to speak too loud here. So, when you have a link and I guess the annotated link, is that data basically hosted somewhere else, or do you host, for example, like video or audio streams?
No, we don't host anything. We're just kind of a layer that fetches the data and that puts it on top of an image. So we don't host any content.
Where are you guys based?
So as you can probably hear from my accent, I'm not from here. I'm from Finland, and our development team is based there. But we also have some people here in the US, in San Francisco, and one person in New York. And I'm visiting here right now. Thanks. Oh, there's one.
Hi, quick question. Using this application, does it enhance your SEO?
No, Google doesn't index at all these because they're JavaScript. So quick answer is no.
So how do you fix that?
That's a good question. Hopefully we can find some kind of solution to that. I'm not that of a technical person or developer, so I can't really answer how we could do it, but I'm sure it's somehow possible.
Anything's possible.
Yeah, exactly. That's the attitude.
What kind of clients can you guys boast at? Who's using it?
Yeah, so currently we're really big with in the music industry. So we're working with Atlantic, Universal, and EMI. So, for example, Evanescence, right now they're the #1 band in America. And then also with the publishing or the newspaper industry. So The Guardian in the UK have used us and still using us, and the National Post in Canada. So that's the two, like music and newspapers, publications. That's our two focuses right now.
Do you think you can do video in the future?
Video?
Yeah, that's something we've been thinking a lot, but we have decided to focus on still images. But we can actually tag GIFs, so moving pictures, but not videos.
How do you handle overstays on touchscreen devices?
How do you like how it works on an iPad, for example, or an iPhone? Yeah, it's JavaScript and HTML5, so it works on those devices. But yeah.
7 seconds.
Do you have any extra T-shirts to give away?
Oh wait, under the wire again.
How technically savvy do you have to be to use this? Because I can imagine like grannies all over America wanting to make interactive scrapbooks.
Yeah. Currently, if anybody of you have, for example, installed Google Analytics, just a snippet of code that you put into your website is as easy as that. But we're actually right now we're working on a really cool thing that even lowers the barrier, so all the grannies can start tagging, and that's our goal.
That's what it's about. The grannies tag.
Yes.
Support to granny
Cool.
tag.
All right, ThingLink, everybody.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.